Hey guys, I'm gonna go ahead and put up this gatehouse door. This is a GateHouse Gibralter 36 by 80 black. I'm gonna go ahead and get this thing put up on the front door here. Okay, so when you open this up, you're gonna have three sides to it. This side's there's one. This side stays fixed to the door, and then this is the top piece. Right down there. Okay, so the trick on here is going to be to shim it up in place, shim it up from down below, right exactly where I want to screw those holes. So that's the first step, is getting it aligned. So I'm going to have to get some kind of risers to make it exactly where I want to nail it in or screw it in. Okay, a little prep work before I can install this thing. So this here has some trim around here. That's got to go because it's got to be able to sit flush here. So this, you see this, it's going to cause me problems. I can't sit that surface right in there, so that's got to go. I'm going to take that off. Same thing with up above. So I'll take a hammer and a crowbar, just get rid of that trim that's sticking out. All right, got that piece off. Make sure all the nails are out. There's my stud. Okay, so normally you got to shim it up to hold it in place. I just got these to keep the door from falling, but this thing actually fits on the left side perfectly. It's not being supported by this. I just kind of had this to rest it on. Normally you got to shim it up in place. But right now it's kind of resting on the existing door frame. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and drill it in right there. It'll go right into the studs. And then this side fits up real good. I'm going to have some gap stuff to deal with here, whether it be caulk or a piece of board or both. But that'll work just fine. Yeah, the lag bolts for this baby are located right in here. Here's the bit that goes to your cordless drill or your drill to drill it in. They're specially head on these. So they're made to just go in and not come out. So let's see that's what that head the drill is for. Those I already bought a door handle. Go ahead and get that baby in. Start with the start in the middle, go down below, and then go above for drilling for installing those things. Hey, one thing I like to do when I'm installing these things is to make sure it's gonna swing open okay. So I just, for whatever reason, in case I gotta pull them out, I get them a little ways in, and I'm gonna make sure that it opens the way I want it to. Nice and free, don't get hit in the head by this thing here. Set that aside for now. And it looks like it's gonna open real nice. Close real nice too. Make sure there's no interferences. A little sticky down there. What's going on with that? Okay, so that's about only how far it's going to go anyway. It'll hit this piece here. Okay, all right. I like it. I'm going to finish sinking those. Give it a lot of pressure. Do that with all of them. All right, now we'll get this piece in. It's just that easy. These are great doors. Put this in, make sure this, you can see that, is facing the door. That's where your locks and stuff are gonna go. I'd say that's key. Make sure this is facing that way before you drill it, before you screw those in. Okay, so the trick I did here is I got this in here to where it's gonna fit tight. And then I got that top board just resting on there, or the top, not board, piece, just resting on there, just to make sure it fits. That's gonna be fine. Now I can go ahead and screw it in. I'll start with this one right here. All right, it's really just that easy. So now I got this side in. Got that in, now I just gotta screw the top in. There we go. There we go. Less than a half an hour, that baby is installed. There's some extra work to do on it as far as taking care of this gap here. But it's all in up there. Now just a door handle and deadbolt. I'll make another video on that, but that is how you install these doors. Super simple. They're great. They look good. Okay, thanks for watching.